If your lip care routine starts when your lips are dry, then you're already reacting. And that's not your fault. Most of us were taught to fix dryness as quick as possible. So we do what makes sense. We feel dry, we apply, we reapply, and we repeat. But over time, it then starts to feel like our lips are always dry, like nothing is actually working. What's really happening? It's a pattern. Dryness, apply, relief, and repeat. And because you're always starting after dryness, you never interrupt the cycle. So it feels constant, but it's not constant dryness. It's repeated timing. There's always a moment before dryness. It's subtle. Maybe it's a change in texture, a faint awareness, but because it's so small, most people miss it. And that's the moment that matters. I'm Janice. I'm a nurse and founder of AJ's EO Infusions. And quick reminder, this is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not considered medical advice. So I see this a lot. We have reactive lip care that says, I feel dry, so I need to fix it. Intentional lip care says, I notice the shift and I support my lips before discomfort. Those are completely different experiences, not just for your lips, but for your nervous system too. Because when you pause before you reach, you move from reflex to decision, and that's where things start to change. So here's something simple that you can try today. Before you reach for your lip balm, pause just for a moment. Notice what your lips actually feel like. Then choose your next step with intention. That small pause begins to break the cycle. If you want to go deeper, you can listen to this week's podcast linked below in the description. And when you're ready to move from reacting to intentional care, you can explore the lip ritual there too. Because lip care isn't just about your lips, it's about how you respond to yourself in small, everyday moments.